to participate actively in club activities, to evaluate others in a positive, constructive manner, to build open, friendly relationship with your fellow Toastmasters, and to bring other new members into the club so that they too can gain the benefit of Toastmasters?
Yes.
Thank you. Would all Toastmasters in the room please stand? Do you, as members of Toastmasters International, pledge to support these members in their quest for self-development, to provide them with positive, helpful evaluations, to maintain a friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give them opportunities to help others, and to make their Toastmasters membership a rewarding and fulfilling experience?
Yes.
Thank you very much. You may now be seated. Now, as a symbolic act, I would like to ask these following charter members of the Excelsior City Toastmasters Club to please come forward. Wilmy Octavius, Clarencia Etienne, Marvin Louis, Tasha Armand, and Judale Celestine. I will